Today's concept is argument of a complex number and its principle. First, we will discuss about argument of a complex number. For this, let us consider a complex number x plus iy. So, for this, I will draw a graph. I will take ordered pair x, y. So, I will take the length x on the x-axis and height y. Now, the angle between these two, and I will join here order pair. Angle between these two is theta. This theta is called argument of complex number. So, here theta is argument of complex number. To find theta, I will apply tan between these two lines. So tan theta, what is the tan theta formula? Tan theta formula is opposite by adjacent. So that tan theta is equals to opposite is y divided by adjacent is, this is adjacent, it is x. So tan theta is equals to y by x. Now we want theta, then send tan to RHS. So we get tan inverse. Tan will become tan inverse of y by x. So this theta is called argument of z. Then what is argument of z? That is tan inverse of y by x. Now we will discuss the next topic, principal value. To discuss the principal value, I will draw 4 quadrants. So here we will take positive x-axis and here positive y-axis. Here we can take minus x and this is minus y. So when the order pair is x, y, means both are positive, then the principal value is theta. When the order pair, one is negative, one is positive, that is minus x, plus y, at that time the principal value is pi minus theta. When the order pair is minus x, minus y, at that time the principal value is minus pi plus theta. When the order pair is plus x, minus y, at that time the principal value is minus theta. So you remember this while doing the problems. Now see the first problem. The argument of minus 1 is options. Option A minus pi, option B plus pi, option C pi by 2, option D minus pi by 2. To solve this problem, let us consider a complex number z is equals to x plus iy. The given complex number is minus 1. So now compare this given complex number with the general form. So here minus 1 is a real number. Then z is equals to minus 1 plus no imaginary in the given complex number. Then I can write I into 0. Now compare this minus 1 is x and y is 0. So write x and y values. X is equals to minus 1, y is equals to 0. Now order pair is minus x, y. X is negative, y is positive. Minus x, y. Which quadrant it is? It is second quadrant. In the second quadrant, the principal value is pi minus theta. Now we know the theta value. Theta is equals to tan inverse of y by x. So this is argument of z. Argument of z is equals to, what is the principal value? Pi minus theta. Theta means tan inverse y by x. So tan inverse y value is 0. 0 by 1 means 0. So where we get 0? At 0 radians. So I will write pi minus 0. It is pi. So this argument of minus 1 value is pi. So option B. This is the answer. Next question is, the argument of I is option A minus pi by 2, option B plus pi by 2, C plus pi, D minus pi. So the first step, let us consider a complex number z is equals to x plus iy. The given is I. So in this no real number. Now compare the given complex number with the general form. How can I write this one? Z is equals to, here no real number, that's why 0 plus I into, I can write I like I into 1. So that is I. So I into 1. Now compare, x value is 0 and I coefficient is, that is y value 1. So order pair is x comma y, means x is positive, y is positive. Where we get? We get in first quadrant. In the first quadrant, principal value is theta. So directly we can find the tan inverse y by x. So theta is equal to tan inverse y by x, y is 1 and x is 0. It is undefined. So tan inverse infinity, where we get at 90 degrees. So argument of I is pi by 2. So option B. Next question. See the next question. If z1 is equals to minus 1, z2 is equals to I, then find argument of z1 by z2, that equals to. So we need to find this value, argument of z1 by z2. They gave z1 value, they gave z2 value. Substitute in this. So argument of z1 is minus 1 divided by z2 is I. So argument of minus 1 by I. If you observe here, minus 1 I can write like I square. So argument of I square value is minus 1. So I square by I, cancel I, argument of I. What is the argument of I value? We derived previously, that is pi by 2. So this is the answer.